Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by cooling the engine and working on a level surface, safety first. Once cool, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts when you remove fan connectors. Next, open the radiator cap and carefully loosen the drain plug, catching coolant in a pan. Aim for a container with about 5 liters capacity. Make sure to reuse or dispose of fluid properly. While coolant drains, remove the under tray and clear access to the lower hose and mounting bolts. Once drained, work methodically. Loosen the hose clamps and remove the upper then lower radiator hoses. Plug hoses to limit remaining leaks and keep the engine bay clean. Next, unbolt the fan shroud and unplug the electric fan connectors. You may need a helper to lift the shroud free without stressing wires. If your Swift has transmission cooler lines through the radiator, carefully disconnect them and cap the lines to avoid fluid loss. Keep bolts and clips together and organized for reassembly. Finally, unbolt the radiator mounting brackets and lift the radiator straight up and out. Be gentle to avoid bending the fins or snagging the condenser. Once out, compare fittings with the new radiator, transfer mounts if needed, and install new hoses and clamps. Reinstall fan shroud and reconnect all sensors and lines. Refill with the correct coolant mix and bleed the system while running to remove air. If you see a persistent leak, tighten clamps incrementally and recheck hose seating. That usually fixes small leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.